Let's start with vitamin C, a superstar for your immune system. It helps your body produce white blood cells, which fight off germs. A study from the National Institutes of Health shows that seniors with higher vitamin C intake have fewer colds. You'll find it in oranges, strawberries, or bell peppers. For example, my neighbor Tom, 69, adds a sliced orange to his breakfast. It takes 2 minutes and feels like a treat. Or try tossing red bell peppers into a lunchtime salad for a crunchy boost. This habit keeps you strong for outings, like a trip to the market or a walk in the park with friends. You'll be surprised how easy it is to add this to your day. Next up, zinc, a mineral that powers up your immune cells. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that low zinc levels in seniors increase infection risk. Zinc is in foods like pumpkin seeds, lean beef, or chickpeas. My cousin Sarah, 71, sprinkles pumpkin seeds on her porridge, and she swears she's had fewer sniffles. Try a small bowl of lentil soup for dinner, a cozy favorite in the UK and Australia. This simple addition doesn't just help your immunity. It keeps you energized for hobbies like knitting or catching up with neighbors. Picture enjoying a hearty meal, knowing you're arming your body against germs. Let's move to tip 3, probiotics, the good bacteria that live in your gut. Here's why they matter. About 70% of your immune system is in your gut. A study in Nutrients showed that probiotics can cut the risk of respiratory infections in seniors. You'll find them in yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut. My friend David, 67, started eating a small bowl of plain yogurt with berries daily, and he says he's stayed healthier this year. Try swapping your usual toast for a yogurt parfait with granola. It's quick and delicious. This habit helps you stay strong for family gatherings or a day tending your roses. Here's tip 4, cut back on sugar. Too much sugar causes inflammation, which can weaken your immune system for hours after eating. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high sugar intake slows down immune responses. Think biscuits, cakes, or sweetened tea. Instead, try naturally sweet fruits like apples or berries. My Aunt Mary, 73, swapped her afternoon biscuits for a sliced apple with peanut butter. She loves it and feels more energetic. Keep a bowl of fruit on your counter for easy snacking. This change helps you stay vibrant for activities like a game of bowls or a trip to the shops. We're halfway through, and I bet you're already thinking about small changes to boost your immunity. If these tips are hitting home, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical advice. In the comments, tell me, what's one immune-boosting food you're excited to try? I love reading your stories, so let's build this community together. Tip 5 is all about healthy fats, like those in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats reduce inflammation and help your body absorb immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin E. A 2019 study in the Journal of Immunology showed that healthy fats improve immune function in seniors. Try spreading avocado on whole grain toast, a breakfast favorite in Australia, or drizzle olive oil over your veggies. My neighbor Linda, 70, started snacking on a handful of almonds, and she says she feels sharper for her book club. These fats don't just help your immune system, they keep you energized for fun moments, like dancing at a family party or reading with grandkids. Let's talk about tip 6, staying hydrated. Water is crucial for your immune system because it helps produce lymph, a fluid that carries immune cells. A 2021 study in Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who stay hydrated have fewer infections. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day, about 1.5 to 2 liters. If plain water's boring, try herbal teas like chamomile or add a cucumber slice. My friend John, 74, keeps a water bottle by his chair and sips all day. He says he feels more alert for his chess games. This easy habit keeps you strong for daily tasks, like shopping or playing with your grandkids. Tip 7 is all about sleep, your immune system's secret weapon. During sleep, your body repairs and strengthens immune cells. A study in sleep medicine found that seniors getting less than 7 hours of sleep are more likely to catch colds. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night with a relaxing routine. Dim lights, skip screens, and maybe sip herbal tea. My Uncle Bob, 72, started going to bed 30 minutes earlier, and he wakes up ready for his morning walks. This habit doesn't just boost immunity. It keeps you energized for hobbies like gardening or golf, so you can enjoy every day. Last but not least, gentle exercise. Regular movement, like walking or stretching, boosts circulation and helps immune cells travel through your body. A 2022 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity showed that seniors who exercise lightly for 20 minutes a day have stronger immune responses. Try a 15-minute walk around your neighborhood or a simple seated stretch, like leg extensions while watching TV. My friend Peter, 68, started walking his dog daily, and he says he feels healthier and more energetic. This habit keeps you strong for family outings or a day at the community center, helping you live life to the fullest. Here's the surprising truth. Many think popping vitamin pills is enough to boost immunity, but that's a myth. A 2022 study in The Lancet found that a varied diet with whole foods, like fruits, veggies, and nuts, is far more effective than supplements alone. My friend Susan, 66, used to rely on vitamin C pills, but still got sick. After adding zinc-rich seeds and yogurt to her meals, she recovered faster from colds. Don't just lean on pills. Build a colorful plate for the best immune support. Let's wrap up. To strengthen your immune system after 60, add vitamin C foods. Include zinc, eat probiotics, cut back on sugar, embrace healthy fats, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and add gentle exercise. These 8 habits, backed by science, help you stay healthy for the moments that matter. Family barbecues, gardening, or walks with friends. I've seen these work for folks like Margaret, Sarah, and Peter, and they can work for you too. This is part 2 of our Health After 60 series. Check out part 1 for more vibrant aging tips. And don't miss next week's video on 3 secrets to better sleep after 65. Always consult your doctor before changes. Now, tell me in the comments, what's one tip you're starting with? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep this healthy aging journey going. See you next time.